it's me, Ice. I'm so sorry I haven't been on my channel. A lot of things have changed in my outside life, but it's a good change. But I'm back for today. I wanted to show you some new products that I got. I would say 2 new products. They are from Beautybay. I have never ordered from Beautybay, but I've seen a lot of ads on it, their Instagram, and I paid it no mind. But then I fell in love with the Earth palette. I was craving green colors and they had a palette specifically for green. I got so excited because I love the color green. I love earthy greens. So, well, the first product I wanted to tell you that I got is their crayon eyeliner. I got the really black one. I'm gonna smear it right here. It's not bad. It feels kind of, I wouldn't say chalky, but it's easy to put on, but we'll see how it does on the under eye. But it didn't feel smooth. I'm a little concerned, but we'll see. The star of the show today is the Earth palette that I got from Beautybay, which I'm excited about. Right here, it is so pretty, and it is protected by a piece of so pretty, like a piece of plastic. But here you go, these are all the colors. I got this for $25, which is like, that is a steal. That is so good. I am so excited to try this today. I want to do something maybe a little simple, like a nice faded green. This is overwhelming. There's so many greens. I'm gonna go ahead and do my face. Guys, if you've been on this channel, you know how I do my makeup. All my videos before, nothing's changed. I'm not using rose ink today, I'll tell you that. So I'm using all my Huda products, and you guys know the drill. Okay, so this is what we have so far. It's pretty. I like the green. Like, I wanted green. I don't know why, but I just have been into green as of lately. And putting Huda Beauty. I think, yeah, this is dead. I use so much of it. Well, this is my favorite foundation. There's some left. I'm just gonna put a little bit here. My Wishful, or is this Wishful Glowish? Pump it that. I like it. I'm tempted to try glitter, but let me finish my face and I'll be right back. So I'm gonna go ahead and try the pencil. So far it's really pretty. It's not finished, but hold on. So I'm just gonna go ahead and try this on camera. I don't know about this because it felt kind of chalky, but let's see what happens here. Okay, I see something. I messed up a little bit under my eye, but we'll fix that. It's not bad. Hey everyone, so I am back and this is the final result from the palette. It is so pretty, you guys. I'm a little shook because of the price point, but Beautybay came and served. Right off the bat, I don't see any titles for, actually I take that back. There are titles on each of these shadows here. So the one I used today was Ivy. For my brow bone, I used Gava. And for blending, I used Quicksand and Squash. And for my inner corner here, I used Lime. Guys, if you love green, if you love earthy tones, and if you're an earth sign, I'm just kidding, well, I'm an earth sign, this is the palette. I was contemplating between getting like the Jeffree Star Blood Money palette, but this one, I like that palette too, but this one, I think I might get that one actually. But I saw this and I was like, whoa, this is like so many green colors, and we have some nice browns over here. This is like a fall palette, but green, I'm just so in love with green. I don't know why. And I mean, look at these shades. Look at, let me swatch this one. This one is called Wit. Let me swatch this for you. Wow, look at that. That is so pretty. And also I got a swatch Lime, the one on my inner corner. I'm just blown away. This is so pretty. The glitters are giving. Oh my god, it's so pretty. The matte shade, let's try Leafy. Leafy looks like some Portland tree type of situation. I don't know. Oh wow, not bad, not bad. I will say that you have to build on these. For the matte ones, you have to keep building. I kept building on that. That's one of the sucky parts about the matte shades. You got to keep building on it. I did the best I could by I used the Jaclyn Hill brush and started blending everything out, but I can't complain. Oh, the bottom of my eye, I'm trying to get better at it, I'm not gonna lie. I used, which one did I use? I used Rave from the bottom part of my lash, but I used the combination of the Charlotte Tilbury bronzer. So this is the one I used. Oh, look at Pickle. This is Pixie Apple. Oh my gosh. You guys, this is so pretty. All right, you guys, I hope you like this quick video on the Earthy Earth. Is it called Earthy Earth? The Earthy Earth palette from Beautybay. I love the price point. It is worth it in my opinion. If you love greens, they have other palettes with different colors. I thought I saw a purple one and a blue one, not too sure, but I'll put a link down below. If you love green, for the price point, I think it's worth it. I love the colors, I love the glitter. It's served, I just love green. Found this and I love it. So I really hope you enjoyed this look, and if you want it, it's only $25 from the last time I checked. Yeah, I paid $25 for this palette. I don't know, the price went up, not too sure, but again, I'll put everything down below. If you see anything I'm wearing that you want to know, write me, just comment down below and I'll tell you. But if you watch my previous videos, it's the same stuff. I'm pretty much like, yeah, I like what I like, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope this helps someone out there. Like, this is wonderful. The green is just stunning. I love green. So again, thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe, and I will definitely see you in the next video. I love you so much. Bye.